Welcome back to Reworking with Riva, a series where I turn something old into something new. For today's final episode, I will be reworking the sleeves of this dress to make a dress for my graduation. For this tutorial, you'll need a full sleeve dress, tailor's chalk, measuring tape, seam ripper, and a sewing machine. First, start by carefully seam ripping the stitches that attach the sleeves to the dress. Next, to turn your sleeves into gloves, start by measuring how long you want the gloves to be. Then, using your tailor's chalk, draw a simple rectangle for the shape of your gloves. And now you're ready to stitch. Start by stitching a straight line along the length of the gloves. Next, cut off excess fabric outside the rectangle you drew. Then fold 1/2 inch and hem the shorter part of the glove. Be careful to not accidentally sew the glove opening shut. To get a neat sleeveless look for the dress, fold 1/2 inch and slowly hem the sleeves. And you're done. I absolutely adore how this dress looks and I cannot wait to wear this for my graduation soon. Thank you so much for following along my series and I hope you enjoyed it along with me. If you liked this tutorial, please be sure to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to catch you in the next one.